Today, I'd like to show you 3 new features of 2N Indoor Talk introduced by firmware version 2.25. The first new feature is the addition of a long press of the unlock button to trigger one more action during a call. For example, your main gate and a garage door or back doors. The second addition is a temporary Do Not Disturb mode, which can be activated by long pressing the Do Not Disturb button. You can configure it to be between 1 and 24 hours long. By default, it's set to 8 hours, so you may enable it in the evening when going to bed, and it gets deactivated in the morning automatically. Temporary Do Not Disturb activation is signalled by a different colour than the permanent one. And the last new feature is automatic backlight dimming when idle, which can be set between 15 seconds to 10 minutes of inactivity. Thanks to this, you won't get disturbed by bright backlighting in your living space at night. And one more thing, did you know that Indoor Talk identifies incoming calls from various destinations using different colours? Green is for 2N IP intercoms and blue is for any other devices. Alright, I hope you found that useful. Feel free to try out these new features yourself now.